Guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to generate clustered bar charts in Microsoft Excel. So we have the data, so we are going to use this data which has farm ID, county, sub-county, gender, age, crop, farm size, and then yield, income, and fertilizer. So we want to have a clustered bar chart which has the county, gender, and also the income. So for me to perform that, I'm going to use pivot table to have the total income of the county in terms of gender. So I'm going to attach. I want it to have it. So we are going to have it to have this table. So the county will come here, the gender here, then we have the income here, sum. So we have the table that we are going to use to generate clustered bar chart. We change this one to be the county. And then we have our clustered bar chart. So we select that and then we go to insert, recommended charts, and then we go to the column and then clustered chart. So we can have chart title, which is total income by county, total income in the county by gender. So we can also look at the design. So you can choose this, you can choose this. So let's have this one. Then the elements, you can have the data, labels outside. Let's remove this. Sorry, not remove, let us hide this. Even the county, let us hide it. Then we have our clustered bar chart. Thank you so much for watching this video.